some important synonym. These are very important for any competitive exam and other board exam. Happy, joyful, sad, unhappy, small, little, fast, quiet, slow, gradual, hot, warm, cold, sleep, beautiful, attractive, ugly, unattractive, smart, intelligent, stupid, unintelligent, brave, courageous, cowardly, fearful, loud, noisy, quiet, silent, strong, powerful, weak, fragile, rich, wealthy, poor, destitute. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe.